The ultimate Drrone Roblox tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're trying to get free items or Robux in Roblox, most people get this wrong by using unsafe generators or hacks that risk their account. The surprising truth about Drrone is that it offers structured, verified ways to earn rewards safely through tasks, promotions, and in-game events. First, create an account. You won't believe how easy it is. Just use your Roblox username and verify your account. No password is required, keeping your account secure. Next, explore available tasks. Most people get this wrong by rushing. Drrone rewards points for surveys, app installs, watching videos, or joining in-game events. Completing tasks carefully ensures points are credited properly. Watch for bonuses. The surprising truth is that daily streaks and special campaigns often multiply your points or unlock rare items. Staying consistent maximizes your earnings and rewards. Finally, redeem rewards. You won't believe how smooth the process is once your points meet the threshold. Always double-check your Roblox username to avoid mistakes and ensure rewards are delivered safely. In conclusion, Drrone can take you from 0 to pro in Roblox rewards. By signing up securely, completing tasks diligently, tracking bonuses, and redeeming points correctly, you'll enjoy free items and Robux without risking your account. Consistency and care are key to success.